At State Cleaning Solutions, one of the things that we find important with our customers is to manage their programs to their expectations. In the survey process for a new account, we do one piece of that as a volumetric titration to measure the volume of chemical that tells us the setup of that machine and how we might do that differently. What this shows us is how we save cost for our customers without talking about price, talking about expectations and the setup of their equipment. We're going to walk you through what that particular piece looks like and what a volumetric titration can show us in that survey. The first chemical that dispenses in the machine is detergent. Typically, we would set up a machine at 4.5 to 5 mils. We pull the level to see what your customer is dosing at. A lot of times it's much higher than that. Really, they're doing that to increase their sales, not to clean properly. Typically, the second chemical that we look at is rinse additive. Rinse additive is really to help the dishes dry faster. It's the most expensive chemical on your dish machine and therefore is prone to being overdosed. We typically would dose a machine between 0.5 mil to 1.5 mils. The last chemical that we pull a volumetric on is the chlorine sanitizer. In many cases, this is dosed appropriately because this is the parameter that the health inspectors care about, therefore the restaurants do and the service team matches that. So we find in a lot of cases that it's on target. We would typically dose about 4 to 5 mils and we can see what our customers are doing. If you would like to see how volumetric titration might lead to cost savings for your facility, please reach directly out to your sales representative to schedule a no obligation survey with them. Or you can head over to our website, www.stateindustrial.com, and hit the Contact Us link for more details.